So today I'm about to show you how to connect Google Drive to N8N. First, go to the Google Cloud Console, create a new project, and enable the Google Drive API. Navigate to the Auth consent screen, configure an internal or external app type, and head over to the credentials to generate your unique client ID and client secret keys. Next, open your N8N canvas and drag in a Google Drive node. Click into the node, select Create New Credential, and set the authentication method to Auth2. Paste your Google Cloud Client ID and secret directly into the fields. Copy the unique Auth redirect URL provided by N8N and paste it back into your Google Cloud Credentials dashboard before hitting Save. Finally, click Sign In with Google inside N8N to authorize the account link. Set the node action parameter to list or download. Paste your target folder ID into the resource box and hit Execute to pull your files instantly. And that's it. That's how to connect Google Drive to N8N. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.